Okay guys, I'm back. Let me open my window. No, I can't see anything from this room. I'm gonna go in my living room and be right back. I don't see anything. I can't see that far over where they're doing.
You're not touching this again because you moved it all.
Guys, this is insane. Because just a minute ago there's about like 100 going up in the air at the same time. And it was just cray. Any more? I was just playing. And then I just heard this going off. Oh, I hear one. I hear one. What are you doing, them boys? Ow. Okay. Right. Don't see any. Well, I kind of guess they run out. There's like every year, outside of our house, these gangsters come out and they start like putting fireworks everywhere. It's crazy. So, look guys, I will start recording if they do it again. See you guys.